Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to use the new Discord custom status feature in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. As we had heard, the Discord update released its custom status feature, which basically allowed its user to share a status, and lots of us are saying when they're in the Discord server and they click on that profile icon to try and set the status which should be there, they can't actually see it. We will just imagine that I'm on a Discord app and I can't see the featured either, and that's across the board. If I go into all my servers on the part of here, and again, I don't really use Discord, so these servers aren't active, but I don't have this feature anywhere on the workaround that seems to be working to me is if you actually go onto Discord on the web, you're gonna get this feature. So I'll just open up Chrome and I'll show you what I mean. So here I am on Discord on Chrome. And as you can see, if I click on my icon, it allows me to set custom status. And that's in this server. It's also gonna work on this server. Literally, all the server that you are part of it, you will open in the web. You're gonna be able to circle name status. Now we can set a status whatever we want. So just type hello. You can actually choose how long you want it to stay. So you can choose all of it. All we need to do is just open your Discord to web app. So you can use this new custom. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.